Hey everyone. So the quiz overall went okay, I'd say. Average of a 7.36 out of 10, which is about a 73, 74%. I would like it to be a little higher than that. Pretty low. However, the median was 10, so I feel it looks as if maybe a few kids are dropping us down. A few kids are struggling. Maybe I need to give those kids some extra help. So as we can see, one person got 2 out of 10, another person got 1 out of 10, and another person got 0 out of 10. However, we had 6 10 out of 10s and 2 9 out of 10s. So I'll have to help those 3 students out maybe a little more. I'm gonna scroll down to see if there's any question in particular people got wrong. It looks like it's so far maybe this one, 56 minus 34. Oh, it still wasn't horrible, 63%, but there's 4 wrong answers. It's a low sample size, so maybe a couple kids just messed it up. We can go over that one in class, see why they messed it up though. But overall, it doesn't seem like there was an answer that just almost everyone got wrong. It seems like it's fairly well distributed. So I can now look at each individual and see the individuals that maybe were in these 3 individuals that weren't doing as good, and maybe ask them what's going on, what's wrong, or maybe they just need they're just learning a little slow, and I'm gonna try my best to get them prepared for a test. So let's see. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Val got 10 out of 10 and 9 out of 10. Carl got 10 out of 10 and then 1 out of 10. So if Carl was one of the 1 out of 10s, I'd talk to Carl, maybe help him out, see if he needs to stay after class, or do what I can do to help him understand how to subtract numbers within 100 better. And you can go through everyone again. Christopher, he didn't do as well, so I can maybe talk to him as well, maybe, and see how he's doing, what's confusing him, if everything's confusing, if it's a certain thing that's confusing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see how each individual is doing, and this can maybe just be a practice quiz or test, or this could be for an actual quiz. So I think this is a cool tool that I can use in the future.